Is your baby struggling to bear their weight on their arms? If you answered yes to that question, then you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm going to share with you an exercise called baby planks that you can use with your little one to help to strengthen baby's arms. The first activity you can do with your baby is to position your baby on a boppy, and what you want to do is put baby on the boppy with the majority of her weight inside of the boppy and her arms in front of the boppy. You can use a mirror so that baby can look at herself while you have baby on the boppy, and you can use your arms to straighten baby's elbows and make sure that she's actually bearing her weight on her hands. Another great activity to help baby to start bearing their weight is to put baby to sit on the ground facing away from you with a toy in front of them, where you can support baby at their hips and allow baby to bear their weight on the toy. So if you put baby to sit in between your legs like this, facing away from your body, give baby some support around the trunk, starting really high up around her chest, and put your hands around her chest. Now if you encourage baby to put her hands on the ground, baby can lean, you can gently lean baby forward a little bit and let baby put your hands on the ground and really prop herself up. Another thing that you can do is move baby's legs a little bit wider apart so as to increase baby's base of support. Another side benefit of planking is that planking kind of cues baby to put their wrists in this position, which is the upright position. Now, if you held your hands out, one hand like this, hold your hand out like this, and bend your wrist down into this position. Now, if you try to make a fist, you will find that you can't make a very tight fist. Now, what that means is it's something called active muscle insufficiency. It just means that the muscle tension is not in the right way it's supposed to be, and so you're not able to make a proper fist. Now, if you bring your hands up like this, you'll find that you can actually make a tight fist. The importance of that is that as your baby gets older, your baby's going to need to have their wrists in this upright position for writing when they're in school, and just being able to actually much sooner being able to crawl around on her hands and knees. So if you put your baby over your leg in the plank position and you make sure that the fingers are open, like I said before, and flat, now you're already putting baby in that upright wrist position, and this will help her fine motor skills as well as her gross motor skills when it comes to crawling and moving around on the floor. Another thing that I like to do when I'm having baby doing their planks is to use a small toy and encourage baby to actually shift their body weight from one arm to the next while they're raising their hands to be able to press and manipulate the toy and start reaching for a toy. That forces baby to have to shift their body weight from one hand to the next and vice versa, as baby is switching hands and trying to put her hands down and manipulate the toy, or just actually touch any kind of a toy that's on the ground. And this is going to be important later on when baby starts to move around on the ground and starts to actually try to crawl. I'm curious to know which of these positions work best for your little one. So drop a comment below and let me know which position worked well for your baby. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Cherrick Gordon. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing to the channel, and smashing that notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I drop another video, which will be coming to you soon. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.